Well, we got her working good, I think. Gotta change hands here. Let's see how hot she is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I got a forge my brother bought for me that I lit up once and got talking because I know a lot of people because I buy cool stuff. So you know a lot of people when you buy cool stuff. And I bought 2 forge blowers. So this one here is called a Buffalo. I am not sure what that one is called. That's probably the better blower. But this Buffalo one, this end looks like it's made to go into that end. So we are going to clean this up a little bit. We are not going to do a complete refit. We are just going to clean it up, grease it up, and let's see if we can make a functional product out of it. So it looks like this is mostly 7/16 and flathead screwdriver. So let's pull this bottom cover off first and we'll take a look at that. So that was pretty simple. The inside is kind of grungy, but I don't see it giving me a way to get into this part of the case here. So all simple, looks like maybe 1/4 or something in that. 7/16 nuts. Anytime you see lots of square nuts like that, you know you're probably dealing pre-World War II. So this is going to be probably right around 100 years old, give or take. And we're just going to leave the screws. I got me some grease here. We'll pop the cap off and grease it up as we're going. So let's get some more into it. So the impeller comes right off. Loosen this, and I could not believe on something that's not been apart in a long time, that come off of that shaft right there, just easy as pie. So now we're going to try pulling this here off, and then maybe that one screw's all that holds that cover on, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I loosened the screw, put a little love juice on it, came right off. Let's see if that one and only screw may just hold that cover on and she'll come right apart. We'll know in a minute. So it come right apart, and looks like it's just going to be real simple about greasing it, but I do see hex nuts here. Huh. Surprised to see the other ones on the outside and the hex nuts on the inside. So there's a little grease zerk or oil zerk here. Not really a zerk, but we'll pull her apart and get her greased up and get her put back together, because it don't want to do much of anything. I mean, it spins it just not very well. So we'll take her apart and grease it and put it back together and see if we've got a blower for the forge. So it'll come right apart. I've already got it greased. And simple little project here. So let me get her started back together. I mean, I could sit and clean on this thing and make it shine, but it ain't going to make it work any better. I don't see any sense in it. You know, there's people that they'll show you YouTube videos and they're going to polish all those wet wheels or paddles, and they're going to, you know, spray paint it with lacquer, and, you know, nah, that ain't how Dean works. Dean just fixes things and makes them work right. And, you know, after you use it for a while, it ain't going to be new anyhow. So we're going to start putting it back together. Got some good grease in it, and we'll see if it works when we're done. Alright, so because I buy cool stuff, so we're getting to the end of this video. So we got the blower put back together. Come out pretty good. I loosen that up. That comes out. Let's see if this will go in now. I'll just put it in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Like it was meant to go there. I think it goes in a little bit deeper. but she blows pretty good. Let me tighten it up a little bit and we'll see what we got. Alright, so I got a little bit of wood in there and some charcoal. Oh, that's way better than that little blower I had. Oh yeah. That makes fire. Now that I got some wood in there to get it started. But that'll work. That'll get her done. This works fine. So like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, and God bless you, God bless America. Look at the dirty hands. Been working.